Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వారందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. టుడే I am going to prepare aloo samosa. Come on, let's get started. Boiled potatoes, green peas, amchur powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, ajwain, all-purpose flour, chopped green chilies and ginger, mustard seeds, salt, coriander powder. Take a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, add ajwain to it, add required amount of salt, slowly mix it, add around 2 tablespoons of oil, rub the flour with oil. This is the most important step. It should be crumbly. Add little amount of water. Knead to the tight dough and rest it for 20 minutes. For samosa stuffing process, take a kadai, add required amount of oil in it. Add turmeric powder, add chopped green chilies and ginger, add mustard seeds, add fennel seeds, add cumin seeds, and stir it once. Add green peas and combine well. Add amchur powder, add coriander powder, combine well, add required amount of salt, stir it once, add boiled potatoes, and we need to smash it before adding into the kadai. Slowly combine it. Mix it well, and samosa stuffing is ready. Allow it to cool completely. For preparing the samosa, divide the dough into equal parts. Take one dough ball, and roll it with the help of the rolling pin. Now cut it horizontally, dividing into two equal portions using a knife. Repeat the same process for remaining dough balls. Grease with water and make a cone. Gently press so that it seals properly. Stuff 2 tablespoons of prepared samosa masala into the cone. Grease little water on the edges. Pull back and create a pleat. This is very important as you are creating the backbone, helping samosa to stand. Now close and seal tightly. Repeat the same process for remaining samosas. Once oil get heated, add samosas in it. Deep fry the samosas on a low flame. Stir occasionally on a low flame. Once the aloo samosa turns into golden color, now transfer into a bowl. Transfer the samosas into a serving plate. You can enjoy this samosa with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching today's episode.